We splurged on some Longhorn. Got a Caesar salad, some spicy chicken bites, their Texas Tunions. This is like their version of a bloomin' onion without the bloomin' part. And for my meal, I got the kids' cheeseburger and fries. But look how big that portion is. You know we gotta try some of this bread. Now let's try these. The sauce is like some type of aioli and it's got a little bit of a spicy kick to it, but it tastes like mayo with a little bit of tang. It pairs really nicely with the crispy onions. Let's try the Caesar salad. The Caesar dressing is really good. Let's try the chicken bites. These look really good. The sauce is sweet with a little bit of a spicy kick. Gotta put some ketchup and mustard on my burger. This is just a plain kids cheeseburger with ketchup and mustard. Let's have some French fries. I know those would have been bomb if they were hot. And for dessert, we have some cheesecake and some chocolate cake. Let's try the cheesecake. That's delicious. Let's try the chocolate cake. Can you see the layers? That's so chocolatey. I feel like everything would have been so good if it was a little bit hotter because we took it to go and it wasn't as fresh and hot as it would have been if they served it to us there. But overall, that was a really good meal. And I feel like they have a little bit of something for everybody. Cheers.